2009 GMC Yukon Denali all-wheel drive. Here is a very sharp and clean Denali. Very low miles for one of these now, especially for a 2009 model. 137,000 miles on this one. They're getting so hard to find anywhere close to this kind of mileage. This one's in nice shape, runs and drives great, totally loaded up, and just a really, really sharp vehicle. I'm gonna try and do a quick video walk around of this one for you, show you the ins and out of it. The blemishes of it, of course, being an 11, 12-year-old vehicle now, it's gonna have plenty of different little things going on with it, with dings and scratches and just normal wear and tear on a vehicle. But overall, the vehicle is very nice and ready to go. One of my favorite things on this one is the color. It's finished in a popular GM color, red, jewel red TintCoat. Very, very sharp color sitting out here in the sun. Lots of metallic, just a deep ruby red color. What I think really makes this vehicle look sharp. Moving here to the front, it's in nice shape. It's not all bugged out. The headlights are still in good shape. The front lip here is still in good shape. Just it really does look good overall. Coming down the passenger side here, it's clean, and the body is straight all the way around. You know, we've got a few little scuffs here, there, and some stuff in the plastic door edge, but nothing out of the ordinary. That's just in the plastic there. One small little door scuff right here. I picked that up. The rear bumper and liftgate, those in good shape. It's not all damaged or doesn't show any garage door scratches or being backed into on the bumper cracking or anything like that. We have one small little scratch way down low here. Not too bad. A point of touch up right here that can be taken care of easily. A little scuff right there. But overall, you know, the vehicle is straight and clean. You know, we've got a few water spots there, looks like, and some dust there, but nothing out of the ordinary. And just overall, a very, very sharp and clean vehicle when you consider its age and over 100,000 miles. The tires on it are excellent. GoodYear Eagle tires are very, very high quality. GoodYear branded tire. They look like they're about 80% all the way around. The nice 20-inch chrome Denali wheels really, really set the look. We'll jump on the inside here. Of course, being Denali, that's the place to be. This has the light cashmere interior in it, so really, really sharp and clean inside. Of course, all power locks and windows, mirrors, heated and cooled seats with memory. The seats are in nice shape, you know, with some normal wear on them. A little bit of light creasing here. The perforations are all still in good shape. Light controls here, of course, being all-wheel drive, you don't get a control for the four-wheel drive. A power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Your cruise control and heated steering wheel button there. Bluetooth for phone and audio there. If I can get the sunlight to work with me. There's the mileage, 137. All the gauges and everything on the dash is right in the zone. And looks good. Go do a quick key cycle here. This runs really good. That 6.2 V8's great motor. Of course, navigation with a backup camera. AM, FM, XM radio. It does have a sunroof, which is fully functional, of course. The dash is in nice shape overall. It does have one small little crack over here, like basically all GM of these generation do. Looking at the back seat, it's in nice shape as well. One small little smudge right here looks like. This has the rear center console option for Denali. These are heated rear seats, so it's really a kind of an executive ride back here with that console. Your third row seats are all in good shape. I've got them split down. Your rear DVD player. Power liftgate, which is fully functional. And your third row, still some usable cargo space, but you can always pop these out and fold them down to be able to use that full cargo space if needed. Passenger side rear seats in good shape. We have one small little smudge right there, looks like, but the rest of it's in nice shape. Not, you know, it's not all ripped up in here or anything like that. Just some normal wear and tear for a vehicle, you know, like light creasing here on the edge, which is typical. The passenger side seats in nice shape. We do have one small little discoloration right there. The camera makes it look a lot worse than it is. That could easily be taken care of though, but nothing major besides that. So if this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Miles and Brad Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years in McPherson. We look forward to serving you in whatever way we can. Find us on our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, find us on Facebook, and just let us know how we can best serve you. Thanks so much for watching.